to you by
Squier.
Hello! We got Marcus today, finally. We finally wrangled him in. Yes. And I wore my Marcus t-shirt for everybody.
See what you did there.
Yes. So, we thought nobody better would probably be good to demonstrate our
bestest, cheapest guitar of the day. We have this sweet 60s Squier jazz bass for you guys in this Daphne blue finish. It is quite awesome. Had the maple neck with the Indian laurel fretboard. It's quite awesome. And it's also pretty slim for this era, which I super love about this bass. And right at $399,
good deal.
You really can't beat it at all. It's nice and simple. Just master volume, your pickup blend and tone, and that's really all. That's all you need right there. That's all you need.
And I would say, what would make you choose this bass over like any other bass in this kind of price range? You'd think?
Just me personally, just a Fender Jazz passive is just the best. It's the best way to go at this price point.
Would you say it's versatile?
Yeah, quite versatile. You can play anything from jazz. But yeah,
let's hear an example of what a guy sounds like.
Yeah, play anything from jazz. To really anything, like you just really cannot beat this bass for the price point at $399 at all.
And a good looker too. Like the neck feels good. The fretwork's
slim,
pretty decent.
Oh yeah,
stay in tune. So
that's quite important.
So here's some more. Let's hear some more examples. Let's hear this versatility.
Then you roll the toe knob up and kind of get the Jocko sound.
Nice.
It's sweet.
So, best cheapest bass from the man himself, Marcus. We finally captured him into our videos.
60 Squier jazz bass. This is it. This is it.
Any other final thoughts?
Get this bass. That's all I have to say.
Get them before they're gone. These classic vibes are flying, so it's not even a tactic. You should get one. So, if there's nothing else, let's play this off. P's and B's. Before I do all the talking, I'm gonna start playing.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you need the bass.
You need a bass. We're totally putting this in the video, guys.